Hey, is the work done for today, or are you still pretending to look busy?
Yeah, the work is finally done. It was a really long day. My brain is finished.
Oh, are you tired now? Did you do too much writing today?
Yes, I am very tired. I need to just rest now. Stop teasing me.
You should take a break. Do you have any things you must do for the rest of the evening?
I have to make a list for the shop to buy some food. No rest for the hungry man.
Are you buying the same things as always? The big list?
No, just the basic food. I need eggs and milk and maybe some bread.
Okay, don't forget the milk. You know you'll starve without the milk. You drink it every day.
No, I will write down the eggs and the milk. I will not starve.
What time is it right now? Go write that list.
It is 5 o'clock.
You should write the list quickly then.
I will write the list quickly.
Are you feeling good today?
Yes, I feel very good today.
Remember to drink lots of water. Your glass is empty.
I will drink the water. Thank you, doctor.
Is your phone charged up?
Yes, my phone is fine.
Are you going to cook dinner tonight?
Yes, I will cook a very simple meal.
Try to cook some vegetables too.
I will cook the vegetables.
Do you want to plan to watch a movie later tonight?
No, I'm too tired for a movie. I will fall asleep in 2 minutes.
Then plan to go to bed early.
I will plan to go to bed early.
Are you planning to meet a friend this evening?
No, meeting my friend is tomorrow.
Do you like living in the city?
I like the city very much. It's easy.
Have a good time planning your list. Don't buy the wrong milk.
You have a good evening too. I will try to write down the correct milk.
So, what is the big plan for the weekend, for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I really want to go to the park for a long walk. A very long walk.
Ooh, can I plan to come with you for the walk? I promise not to complain about being tired.
Yes, please, plan to come. The walk will be much better with you. Who will I talk to otherwise?
What time should we plan to meet for the walk?
Let's plan to meet at 10:30 in the morning.
10:30 works great.
Where will we plan to meet exactly?
We can plan to meet at the train station. It's easy to get to.
The train station is perfect. Then we will walk to the park from there.
Do I need to pack a small water bottle for the walk? I don't want to get thirsty.
Yes, pack a water bottle. The walk to the park is about 10 minutes.
Is the park far from the station?
No, it's just a 10-minute walk.
Is it a really big park?
Yes, it is a very big park. We will not finish seeing all of it.
Good. We should plan to walk for a long time.
We will walk for at least 2 hours.
Do I need to find my good walking shoes, or can I wear my slippers?
Yes, find your best shoes. No slippers for a long walk.
I'll pack my water bottle. You must pack yours too.
I will pack the water bottle.
Can we plan to buy ice cream inside the park? I will buy a huge one.
Yes, they have a small shop that sells ice cream at the park. I will beat you to the shop.
That sounds wonderful. I can't wait.
Will you pack your hat?
Yes, I will pack my red hat.
Make sure you find your keys. If you forget them, you sleep outside.
My keys are ready. I will not sleep outside.
The walk is going to be a lot of fun.
Is your friend planning to come with us too?
No, my friend is busy tomorrow still.
Okay, plan to tell your friend how good the walk was later. Make him jealous.
I will tell my friend about the walk.
So, after the walk, what should we plan to eat for lunch? I will be very hungry.
Do you maybe want to just plan to grab some sandwiches?
Yes, I would like a chicken sandwich.
What kind of sandwich do you want specifically?
I want a simple chicken sandwich with some tomato and no onion.
We can plan to buy the sandwiches at that small bakery we like.
What time is the small bakery usually open to?
It is open from 9 a.m.
Is that bakery close to the park? I cannot remember.
No, it is near the train station. You never remember that. We must go back there.
Okay, so we walk first, then we go back for the food.
That is a perfect plan.
Should we plan to grab some coffee after the sandwiches?
Yes, I really need a coffee. I can almost taste it.
Do you prefer hot coffee or cold coffee?
I like hot coffee always.
Is that coffee place expensive?
No, the coffee is quite cheap there.
Do you remember exactly where the cafe is?
Yes, the cafe is right next to the bakery.
Okay, plan to bring enough money. You owe me for the ice cream.
My money is ready in my wallet. I will pay for the sandwiches.
Are you sure we can handle walking for 2 hours?
Yes, we are strong enough. We can walk that far. Don't be lazy.
Okay, let's make sure we are ready for the long walk.
I feel so excited about the walk now.
So you feel happy about the whole plan?
I feel very happy.
Good. Just be ready at 10:30.
Do you think we can plan to get a table outside at the cafe?
Yes, they have many tables outside.
Good. Sitting outside is always the best. So, what are the few things we need to prepare for the walk tomorrow?
I need to find my blue bag.
Where did you leave your blue bag last time?
The blue bag is in my closet.
Okay, make sure you find the blue bag tonight.
I will find the blue bag.
Do you have your camera with you? We need proof that we actually walked.
Yes, my camera is brand new. I will take a picture of you running.
We must plan to take a lot of pictures at the park.
I will take many pictures.
Do you like taking pictures of flowers the most?
Yes, I especially like the red flowers.
Do you think we need to find a map of the park?
No, the park is simple. We can just walk. You are not that bad with directions.
Do you think we need to find a small towel, just in case?
Yes, a small towel is a good idea. I will find it tonight.
Should we sleep very early tonight, like at 7 o'clock?
Yes, try to go to bed by 9 o'clock. 7 is too early.
9 o'clock. I'll definitely try to sleep early.
Are you taking your daily vitamins?
Yes, I took my vitamins already today.
Eat a lot of fruit before you sleep.
I will eat the fruit.
Final check. Are you absolutely sure you finished all your work? No secret files left?
Yes, the work is 100% finished, I promise.
That is very good news.
Okay, just plan not to be late tomorrow.
I promise I will not be late.
Is the train station quite close to your home?
Yes, it's very near.
Do you have an umbrella?
No, I do not have an umbrella with me.
Then find your raincoat instead.
I feel like today is much better than yesterday.
Oh, why is this day better for you?
Because the sun is out and we have a fun plan for tomorrow.
Was yesterday a bad day? Did you have to clean the house?
No, it was just a very, very busy day. Too much work.
We should try to be happy every day, even the busy ones.
Yes, we must try to be happy.
Do you like the sea more than the park, generally?
I like the park more than the sea.
Why is that?
Because the park has many beautiful trees.
Remember to write the list for the shop.
I have my list ready now.
Do you need to find some new shoes for the walk?
No, my walking shoes are still new.
We should plan to walk slowly tomorrow and just enjoy the view.
We will walk slowly.
Will you call me tonight before you sleep?
Yes, I will call you at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock sounds good.
So we are meeting right at the train station, correct?
Yes, the train station.
Go and sit down and rest now.
I am sitting down now.
Have a good evening. See you tomorrow.
You too. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait, did you check your phone battery?
Yes, charge your phone now. Don't be the person with a dead phone.
I am charging the phone.
Don't forget to plan to get some quality sleep.
Okay, let's quickly review the plan for tomorrow.
What is the very first thing we do?
We meet at 10:30 a.m.
Where exactly are we meeting?
at the train station.
What is the next thing after that?
We walk to the park.
How long will the walk take?
The walk is about 2 hours.
What do we eat right after the walk?
We eat sandwiches
Where do we buy the sandwiches?
at the small bakery near the station.
And we have a hot coffee.
Yes, hot coffee there.
Did I find the blue bag?
Yes, find the blue bag.
Did I find the camera?
Yes, find the new camera.
Did I find the towel?
Yes, find the small towel.
Did I find the hat?
Yes, find the red hat.
Is the sun going to be hot tomorrow?
Yes, the sun is hot tomorrow.
We must plan to buy some water before the walk.
We will buy the water at the station.
Is this the final plan now?
Yes, this is the final plan.
The plan looks very good.
Go and rest now.
I am going to rest now.
Sleep well tonight.
Do not spend too much money on sandwiches. I'm counting.
I will be careful with the money. I promise no gold watches.
Do you truly feel ready for tomorrow now?
I feel completely ready and very happy.
What makes you so happy right now?
Because I do not have to work tomorrow. Freedom!
Will you be able to sleep well tonight?
I think I will sleep very, very well.
Don't forget to take your vitamin pill.
I took the vitamin pill already.
Do you like to listen to pop music or old people's music?
Yes, I like pop music. My music is not old.
Listen to some music now to relax.
I will listen to music.
Do you need to prepare anything new for the walk?
No, I have everything I need.
Just make sure you are on time tomorrow.
I will be on time.
Are you 100% sure about the 10:30 time?
Yes, 10:30 a.m.
Please call me if you are running late.
I will call if I'm going to be late.
Is there a big clock we can check at the station?
Yes, a big clock is right there.
Keep an eye on the big clock.
I will watch the big clock.
Be happy and sleep well tonight.
You too. Sleep well.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wait, I have just one more question.
Okay, what is the last question?
Did you remember to find your sunglasses?
Yes, my sunglasses are packed in my bag.
Why did you decide to bring sunglasses?
Because the sun is going to be very bright tomorrow.
Good. Make sure you wear the sunglasses.
I will wear the sunglasses.
Did you like watching old movies on TV? The boring ones?
Yes, I enjoy old movies. They are not boring.
Maybe watch an old movie now before you try to sleep.
I will watch an old movie.
Are you sure you are not hungry still?
No, I already ate food. I am not hungry.
Good. Don't let yourself worry about the work now.
I will not worry. The work is for Monday.
Are you ready to pack your bag for the morning?
Yes, I will pack my bag now.
Pack slowly and make sure you pack well.
I will pack slowly.
Have a good night.
You have a good night too.
I'll see you tomorrow at 10:30.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.